Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Law Simplified by Tiruchi. So today's video is a very important one. So there is a significant shift that may be on the horizon for legal education in India, where the Supreme Court is deliberating a PIL that proposes replacing the traditional 5-year LLB course with a streamlined 4-year program, aligning with the National Education Policy 2020. So what does this mean for the aspiring lawyers and the legal fraternity at large? Let's delve into the details. So, the Supreme Court bench has considered a PIL filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay. So, this petition basically advocates for the replacement of the existing 5-year integrated LLB course with a 4-year standalone LLB program. But the rationale behind it is aligning legal education with the National Education Policy 2020, which promotes the 4-year undergrad course for professional degrees. So the petitioner here argues that the current 5-year program imposes unnecessary financial and time burdens on students, especially those from middle and lower income family. So they contend that the extended duration delays entry into the legal profession and increase educational cost. And moreover, the petition suggests that a 4-year program would be more efficient and in line with international standards. While acknowledging the petition, the Supreme Court did not issue a notice but tagged the matter with another case concerning the recognition of 1-year LLM course. So, this indicates that the courts intend to consider the broader implication of legal education reforms collectively. So, the proposal has sparked a debate among legal educators and professionals. Proponents have argued that a 4-year LLB would make legal education more accessible and cost effective, while critics, however, cautioned against a hasty overhaul, which emphasizes the need for a comprehensive review to maintain educational standard. So the petition also calls for the establishment of a legal education commission to evaluate and restructure the legal education framework in India. So the Supreme Court has sought responses from Bar Council of India and the University Grants Commission on this matter. The next hearing is scheduled for June 2025. The outcome could potentially reshape the landscape of legal education in the country. So, the deliberation on this PIL could mark a pivotal movement in India's legal education system. Whether the 5-year LLB course will give way to a 4-year program remains to be seen. We will continue to monitor this development and keep you informed. If you found this video insightful, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on legal, law, and lifestyle. Thank you.